Problem number 10. We have a function of this form. C is a constant. We're given that the line 102x minus y is equal to 609 is tangent to the graph of this function here at some point P in the first quadrant. First part here is saying what's the value of f prime of x at the point P? Well, this is going to be the slope of the tangent line. We can look at this equation right here and without too much difficulty determine the slope of the tangent line. If I rearrange this, we get y is equal to negative 609 plus 102x. And so the thing that this gives us instant here, what's the slope of this line? The slope of this line is 102. So at point P, f prime of x is equal to 102. Okay. So part B here is saying what's the x coordinate, and then part C will be what's the y coordinate here. Well, working from this equation right here, f prime of x is, what's the derivative here? 3x squared minus 6. The derivative of c is 0. And we want this to equal 102. Now solve this equation for x. Okay, what do we end up with? Add 6 to both sides. 3x squared is equal to 108. Divide by 3x squared is equal to 36. So x is equal to plus or minus 6, but we're told, take a look at the problem, we're told first quadrant, we want x to be positive, so we choose x is equal to 6. So the x coordinate P is 6. For part C, what's the y coordinate of P? To get this, we actually have to go back to the tangent line. Y is equal to negative 609 plus 102x. Y is equal to, that's plug in when x is equal to 6, negative 609 plus 102 times 6. This is 612 minus 609, y is equal to 3. Because this tangent line has the same y coordinate as at the point, so what's our point here? 6, 3. So there is, at the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. At this point here, this curve, whatever this looks like, the slope is the same and the x and the y coordinates agree at that point here. So this gives us y is equal to 3. Okay, so then for the final part, we're asked to find C. Find the value of C. Well, to do that, we know f of 6, plug in x is equal to 6, is 6 cubed minus 6 times 6 plus C here. 6 cubed is 216. Minus 36 plus C is equal to 180 plus C. And we want, from this fact right here, this needs to equal 3. 180 plus C is equal to 3. This lets us conclude that C is equal to negative 177. So that's how you do problem number 10.